as a patriot for America and is not a patriot for Washington, D.C., the United States of America Incorporated, that is Washington, D.C., they're now hitting me on X for, stuff like misinfo, misleading people, and all this other bull crap.
And welcome to Facts or Frauds.
What you are witnessing is real. The participants are not actors.
Let's call the case of the people versus Forbes Dabney.
Andrew Banis, Assistant Public Defender, with on behalf of Mr. Dabney.
What's your name?
My name is Forbes Dabney. I'm a national, and I am not sure if I'm able to get the truth of the court, so I need help. And a friend is standing by with all the legal things that I can do to stop these things in private and against my bonds. I don't know what to say. I don't want him to represent me.
Pardon?
I do not want him to represent me. I want my friend and my legal person to represent me or help me.
Okay. So I'll come back to what you're saying. Mr. Banis, you were saying what?
Your Honor, after I reviewed the discovery, I initially had some competency concerns, but I wasn't going to follow through before speaking with Mr. Dabney. And it's okay. So I called him, but I didn't hear back from him. But I was happy to see he was here today. And so I did ask to speak with him, and he very politely declined to speak with me.
Okay, so
I can't hear very well.
you can't hear. Can we get equipment, please?
I hear you.
Hear me now, Mr. Dabney?
Yes, I do.
All right, very good. You need to take that. My bail is not going to hold that for you. All right.
All right.
Okay, so Mr. Dabney, are you intending on representing yourself?
No, I come to settle this. There's custom numbers, there's bond and all these things with my my called birth certificate. There's money there sitting for there.
There's what?
There's money sitting for that.
For what?
Okay, whoever his friend is giving him this nonsense information, shame on you. Really, shame on you.
This case. You have a case before you, Forbes Dabney Jr.?
Oh, I do.
Well, that's all I want to do is settle it.
Okay, but do you understand what you're charged with?
No, I don't.
Okay, so when you went for you remember being arraigned?
I don't remember that either. I don't understand that either. So we need to.
Okay, hold on. Hold on, Mr. Dabney. I just want to go back here. Back on November 21st of 2023, do you remember appearing before Magistrate Fink?
No, I've had a.
Okay. So
dealing with.
Okay, so when? Okay, so hold on. When did you have the stroke?
This is 2000, something like 2020 or somewhere around there.
Okay, so you were before the magistrate on November 21st, 2023. Do you remember that?
Yes, but the circumstances concerned, not sure all that.
Okay, but do you remember? Okay, but do you remember being before the magistrate?
I don't know the dates. I don't know.
Okay, so let's try this.
I come here to settle it as a.
I understand, but I've got to make sure of a couple of things, okay? So that's why I'm asking you some of these questions.
Sure.
Do you remember appearing before me before? On December 7th? You may not remember the date. You remember appearing before me?
Don't recall everything, but yeah. I don't know.
You don't know if you appeared before me?
There's so many things that happen over the time.
No, I understand, but I just want to make sure. I'm trying to figure out what you remember because you're telling me you don't understand what you're charged with, right?
Right. I don't.
Okay. All right. That's fine. Do you remember seeing me in court on December 7th or December 21st?
I remember this, but I don't know the
You remember what?
Don't remember the date.
Okay, but do you remember being here?
Yeah.
I see you looking around the room.
I'm looking at this building. I do remember it, yes.
Okay, but do you remember being before me?
But I don't remember the date.
Right, I get that. But do you remember being before me?
Yes, I think I do remember.
Well, hold on, Mr. Dabney. If you don't remember, you need to just tell me I don't remember. It's okay. But I just need to know if you're not recalling it.
I don't know how to answer it. I had a stroke.
Okay, but you had a stroke back in 2017 or 18, you said, right?
Whatever that happened, yes. I was, I do remember their records that showed that I was the Wayne County or Wayne City Airport.
Okay.
Or whatever. And they held me, and that's when I got hit upside the head. That's when the stroke happened.
Okay, I see. Okay, let me ask you, it's okay if it's true, Mr. Dabney. Do you have problems remembering things at times? Is that why you had the person you wanted to help you?
Yes.
Okay, so you have problems remembering sometimes.
The person that's standing by right now, he says he will come when I come here. I can call him now.
Okay.
I lost his phone, so I lost my phone.
Okay, so Mr. Dabney, here's what I'm gonna do, okay? After talking to you.
Sure.
Because I have to make sure that you understand the proceedings that are happening and what you're charged with and the like,
Right.
okay?
I don't.
That,
Right. Okay.
okay, that's a big part of what I have to do,
Okay.
okay? So, and I'm a little bit concerned, okay, for you, because you told me you had a stroke, and then you're telling me there's some things you don't remember. And just hold on, just let me just finish, okay?
Sure.
And then I gave you your 3 dates that you've been in our court here, and you said you didn't remember being before the magistrate, and you didn't remember being before me. Okay.
What I needed.
Pardon?
I was looking for a trial by church, trial. I didn't get that.
Got it. Okay. So here's what I'm going to do.
Yes.
On my motion, I'm doing this. Their public defender's not doing that. I may have them prepare the order.
Oh.
Okay. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to order a competency evaluation of your forensic evaluation just to make sure that you can understand the proceedings. Okay.
My friend, will they be with me?
Pardon?
Can they be with me?
Who?
My friend.
For the evaluation?
For other legal battles too, yes.
Okay, if the person
could be easily solved.
Pardon?
With the money.
Right. Okay. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to order a competency evaluation. I'm going to give you another date to come back. You're going to meet with somebody in between then. They'll communicate with you regarding your appointment with them.
Well,
And if they let your friend come, that's fine with the court. Okay?
So are you saying this, that I will not have my trial by jury?
I'm not saying that at all. I'm just telling you, your trial by jury may happen later. It's not going to happen today.
Okay.
Okay? You're not giving up any of your rights whatsoever.
Okay.
I just have to make sure of certain things before we can proceed on this case.
Sure.
Okay? Fair enough?
Yeah.
Okay. So,
I'm sorry.
so what I will do is I'm citing the order on competency or for forensic evaluation and for criminal responsibility. And then, Mr. Dabney, I'm going to give you another date to come back and see us, okay? So I'll set the hearing for, okay, I'm going to set your new date for April 18th, 2024 at 9 a.m., okay? They're going to give you a notice, okay? So here's what I want you to do, Mr. Dabney. So what's going to happen is you're going to get a letter or you're going to get some communication from somebody indicating that you need to meet with them.
And I'll have my proper persons with me then?
You can bring somebody with you as long as who's talking to you says it's okay.
Sure.
You can do that. I'm not going to have a problem with that.
Okay.
Okay, but what I want you to know is you might get something from Mr. Bannis or his office about when you need to meet with that person. And so if you do, you need to pay attention to that, okay?
I need to pay attention to what? The paper?
The paper,
Oh, yeah.
okay? All right, defendant's bond will continue. All right,
What's the new date?
April 18th. Thank you. All right, Mr. Dabney, you take care.
Thank you.
All right.
Oh. Mr. Dabney, this is just a reminder of your next court date. And it also has my phone number. This is for you, so you remember your next court date. Thank you.
All right, yeah, Mr. Dabney, take that. So I told him to give that to you so that you had it in your possession, okay? All right, you take care.
4 to 6 weeks later.
For calls case people versus Forbes Dabney. They're not here, are they? Pardon? Forbes Dabney. Not here.
Warren Brown, Deputy Public Defender, on behalf of Mr. Forbes Dabney. I had intended to request that this matter be adjourned because we didn't have the updated competency evaluation.
Right, I see that, but you don't know where he is. Yeah, okay. Well, we can locate him. Bench warrant will issue for defendant's failure to appear. Bond will be setting him at a 10,000 cash surety. Bless you. That warrant will issue immediately.
Later, in the void.
Court recalls case people versus Forbes Dabney.
We're ready then. Warren Brown, Public Defender, knife approaching the podium.
Special appearance?
No, sir.
Yes.
You're special, but
It's not? What is it?
regular.
No. You need. What do you call it? A special appearance with the attorney, all those guys. Can we do that?
Wait, first, we want to get to the competency, which is what this.
I don't need the confidence. I need what I need. My car. That's why I'm not late.
Oh, right. So let me explain that to Judge, so he knows why we're late. That way, will, go back to you.
Well,
Okay. So, yes.
Yeah.
oh, okay. Do you need to,
Yes.
Right.
Thank you.
thank you, Ms. Hughes, for remembering.
Can
Reminding
I
us.
put this away?
Yes, go ahead and put it in your pocket. You can, actually, if you want to put this, let's put this down here. So,
Oh, okay. Thank you. Appreciate it. Your name?
so you hold on to that.
Yes, sir.
You hold on to that.
Hey, how y'all doing? What's this? Oh, I hold this? Okay, thank you.
All right. So you hear me okay?
I hear you fine now.
All right. Your Honor,
As a sheet metal worker, I had many years, and my hearing is gone, so.
okay. All right. So, Your Honor,
Yes.
this is Mr. Forbes Dabney.
Deb, my last name,
Right.
my family name is Dabney,
It is.
and my first name, they call me Forbes.
All right.
Cool.
And that's who this is.
That's what I
So, Your Honor,
Like an
earlier
hour
this
ago.
case
Yes,
was
sir.
called,
Mhm.
and Mr. Dabney had car problems. He was broken down. It's the belt
Yeah,
on
the
the car
serpentine belt,
had broken
that's the
down.
generator.
Yeah, so he
Yeah.
had problems.
There's the whole thing in there on an old
Oh,
car.
yeah.
Yep, it's
So
everywhere.
we would respectfully request that the court recall the bench warrant.
Yeah.
I recalled the bench warrant.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay.
You're welcome.
And now, this matter, as the court may recall, this is set for competency review here. They have not completed the evaluation at this time. So we were asking, or we were going to ask, that this matter be adjourned so that they could complete that evaluation and we could move forward in this case.
Thank you.
Do they?
You're my attorney or something?
I am. That's
Okay.
who I am.
All right.
I'm Lauren Brown.
You what?
Lauren Brown.
Darren Brown?
Lauren,
Lauren Brown. Glad to meet you.
glad to
Okay.
meet you.
What else do we need to do?
Well,
To talk to him?
no, hold on. You just sit tight. You're good.
Okay, thank you.
I'll set the competency hearing, then review hearing out to May 16th,
All right.
Okay, I'll need copies of that because
2024, 9 a.m. or as his invite indicate.
Thank you.
All right.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
Bond will continue. The warrant is recalled. All right. Thank you.
I didn't hear the last part.
He said bond will continue. You're
Oh,
all set.
You're free to go,
Thank you, sir.
but you got to leave our stuff with us.
Say again?
You got to leave the stuff with us.
Stick with you?
No, give him, give him that.
Thank you.
Hi. Well, that's just about it. So, thanks for watching. And we'll see you again real soon. Actually, I wish you could see the studio floor right now. There's nowhere more fascinating after a show. Everyone's so busy. Like bees. There's electricians all rolling up their cables. Whoops. Sorry, guys. And there's the sound technicians unplugging all the microphones. Okay if I keep mine on for a minute, Nobby? Stand up. And of course, there's lots of the producers' friends, all excited, waiting to meet the stars and generally getting in everybody's way. Just like our producer. Oh, we don't mind. Oh, and not forgetting the prop guys. They're busy striking the set. That's an interesting little point there. Striking. That's a word we all use in the biz for dismantling the set. Taking it apart, unscrewing things, releasing safety catches, that sort of thing.
And thanks for hanging out with us on Facts or Frauds. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button, you're subscribed, and ring that bell for notifications so the next time I premiere a video you can meet a live chat with everyone else and leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think. And a huge thank you to all of our Facts or Frauds channel members. Now, if you're still hanging around, Thank you. Why not hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you're not already, and ring that bell. Also, leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think. Till next time, I'll see you soon.